Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Injective price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. A quick overview for the bullish and bearish scenarios here. On the 4 days chart we have an A for a zigzag, B and a C, of course, finishing a wave C and a zigzag. And we're looking as well for a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 toward the upside, or in double 1, 2, where you might have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So several bullish scenarios here where we have, of course, 3 waves up finished, and you're looking for 3 waves down as well finished, and you're looking still for wave C for higher prices as well. Very nice for Injective. Now we're still looking, of course, for a finished 3-wave corrective here, A, B, and a C. The beautiful thing is that this scenario is very clear as 3 waves were the downside, 3 waves up. We're looking for 5 waves down for a wave C. Potentially finished, potentially not yet. Still looking for the range here, and then to move toward the upside soon or later. In your bearish scenario, you're looking here at a bigger 3 waves toward the downside, meaning you're still looking for 3 waves up and then moving toward the downside, as you have realized that even in a bigger bearish scenario, you're still looking for higher. Very nice opportunity here, of course, for Injective, and we're still looking for what is going on. Let's move inside it on the daily chart. On the daily chart, of course, we are looking for this pattern as a B and a C toward the downside. You have here, of course, a 1, 2, and then another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, a 4, and a 5. We're still potentially looking for a wave 4, or yeah, I think this was meant to be here. Taken with the blue box, wave 4 potentially. I'm gonna, of course, dive a little bit deeper on the 4-hour chart to see what's going on here exactly inside this wave. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing wave 1, ABC wave 2. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, no invalidation, 4 and a 5. So this is our wave 5 for the yellow, and we see, of course, yeah, extended 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Okay. All right, so it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, we have an extension for an impulse here. Wow, okay, so it was supposed that this is a finished impulse for the wave 5, but it looks like Injective still need, of course, for lower 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Meaning still looking to finish this wave 5 in a lower a little bit. Of course, we have anyway our blue box here as well to be finished, of course, as 1-to-1 fib level. Don't forget, this is in Confluence, the 1-to-1 fib level. Very important, of course, to see here with the wave 5 how it's going to be finished, yeah, in this area. So it is a target, of course, taken from this wave 1 here, sorry, wave 1. And then we're looking, of course, potentially for this blue box at 7.450, yeah. Very interesting. Now in Confluence as well with the 1-to-1 fib level, I remember the $9, which is a very psychological number, has been taken. Yeah, but of course we start now, we want to see, of course, a range here. So again, whatever it's gonna happen inside this area, we're looking for higher prices. Of course, we are very close to finish this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. We still have, of course, one more move toward the downside, and then of course range here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 ways down, continuation for higher, breaking the high, and then confirmation for bullish. And yeah, so actually we're still on the plan. Very nice. I see a very nice movement here. So let me check 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Let's say, oh, by the way, okay, I'm mistaken here. 5, 4, and a 5. Okay, so here we go. This is what's going on. But anyway, we still need one more leg, but the count was a little bit messy. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished, and still looking for 4 and a 5. Now your wave 4 in the white is, of course, longer here, right? This is what I don't like it, as of course alternation between this wave 4 and this wave 2 here in time, they don't match so much, yeah, so I don't really like it. But of course, I mean, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, so we have to be careful. Of course, it can be finished. It can be still looking for a longer wave here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 potentially. So I would suggest, okay, let's wait for this blue box, of course, which is already in Confluence, right, with the targets. Let's see what's gonna happen, but yeah, potentially the opportunity, it is there. Because in a bigger view, guys, again, whatever it's gonna happen here, whatever it's gonna happen, if you are bearish, let's say we are bearish, you cannot move towards the downside continuously unless, of course, you transform this to double 1-2, and then you're looking for a massive wave 3 toward the downside, 4-5, 4-5. But this, of course, a little bit lower possibility because of the multiple bullish scenarios that appears on this area. And of course, preferably to move, of course, here after seeing also 3 waves down. Yeah. So 3 wave down here is, of course, higher possibility for a bigger correction and a bigger view. Yeah, it's 3 wave. Now we have double 1-2 here, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Okay, it can be, of course, still looking for lower. This is your most bearish, but don't forget that you are 3 waves here. That is nothing impulsive. If this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I would say, okay, different scenario. But 3 waves down, 3 waves up, definitely you're looking for a wave C here to be finished soon or later. And I believe that it is very, very soon. It's gonna be finished. Hopefully that we don't transform here to double 1-2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. That will take more time, of course, but potentially I would say, yeah, it's much higher possibility that this is a wave 3 because it looks like longer, very nice, and 4 and a 5, and very, very, of course, with the fib levels for a 1-to-1 here, and also with the $9, very nice. I think, yeah, Injective is still, of course, gonna range a little bit. We have to wait to see what's gonna happen. 7.45 is the next maximum target. If we break this, okay, then we have to start to think about double 1-2 here, 3, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Hopefully not, guys, but higher potential, we move up from here, guys. If you are interested in Binance update and VELO updates, of course, they are on the X account published here for, of course, your information. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.